The history of the office chair began with a few fundamental components. As time passed, these components became increasingly complex, occupying spaces and assuming a visual importance based on function. Today, our ideas about technology have evolved. Technology has become integrated. At its best, technology is invisible, unobtrusive. It steps back, allowing us to focus on what is essential. And as technology now enables us to work from virtually anywhere, the fine line between life and work has begun to blur. So we asked ourselves, if we could devise a means to render components and mechanisms invisible, why couldn't an office chair go back to just looking like a chair, while still fulfilling all the norms and regulatory requirements? So we designed a pure, lightweight chair, the essence of a chair. Rather than exteriorizing the technology, we integrated it into the chair. So the result is the Kinesit, a chair without any visual mechanisms or exterior components. It's a chair that whispers rather than shouts, able to occupy certain spaces that a conventional office chair could not.